Hello, this tutorial is to explain about debugging and the different types of errors which occurs during the debugging process. Bugs and debugging. Programming errors are known as bugs, and the process of tracking and rectifying the errors is known as debugging. Debugging tools are used in identifying and rectifying the issues in a software program. For large software projects, individual programs are debugged separately, followed by the whole program. Three types of errors occur in a program are syntax error, runtime error, and semantic error. First, let us see about syntax errors. Syntax refers to the structure of a program and the rules about the structural programming elements. If the program violates the structure of the programming elements, then the interpreter raises the syntax error. Python interpreter executes a program if the syntax is correct. For example, we have written a statement s space name equal to xyz. It shows the syntax error because the variable s space name is invalid, as there should not be a space in the variable name. Python interpreter displays an invalid syntax error message. Runtime errors. Runtime error occurs when the program is running. Runtime errors are also known as exceptions, which is an abnormal conditions in a program execution. Exception handling is the process of handling the exception in order to avoid the program from crashing when it occurs. Example, in this program, we have written a statement n equal to int of input enter a number. So during the execution, if we enter a number as Mumbai, the int method may not be able to convert that Mumbai into a number. So it will give a runtime error which is named as value error. Value error is a runtime error or exception generated by the Python interpreter. As in this example, Mumbai literal cannot be converted into an integer by int method during program execution or runtime. The third type of error is known as semantic errors. Writing invalid program logic that produces incorrect results when the instructions are executed is known as semantic error. Semantic error is also known as logical error, as it makes the program meaningless. The syntax of the source code may be valid, but the algorithm used to implement the program is incorrect. Program with a semantic error will run successfully and the interpreter will not generate any error messages. Identifying semantic errors are tedious for large applications as it requires identifying the logical mistakes. The semantics error in a program to check a user entered number is even or odd. Let's say in this program we take a number from the user and store in a variable no. If the number is divisible by 2, we have written a statement that the number is odd, and else we have written the number is even. Actually, as per the logic, if the number is divisible by 2, it should be printed as the number is an even number. So because of this mistake in the statement, when we enter a number as 10, it shows that the 10 is an odd number during the program execution. Program executes properly as there is no syntax error in this program, but the program logic is incorrect as the number 10 is an even number, not an odd number. Thus the program is having a logical or semantic error. Experimental debugging. In experimental debugging, the programmer looks back the program to critically find out the mistakes or changes to make more enhancement in the program. Programmer has to verify the input and the desired output. It might require reframing the code to get the desired output for multiple times. Thank you for watching this video.